Hello, everyone. It is Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. Of course, I am back to teach you another line dance. It's called D-Train Hustle. It is a two-wall dance. I'm going to give you the step-by-step instructions. But before I do, if you're located in the New Orleans area and you're interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, this is the step-by-step instructions. If you're interested in dancing along to the music, make sure you watch till the end and click right here. So instructors, I really like this dance because it is a beginner-friendly dance, but it also teaches you when to transfer your weight. Okay, there's a difference. So when you teach this dance, it looks real easy, but it's a matter of knowing when to transfer your weight and when not to transfer your weight. And I'm going to break it down to you, okay? So let's go. So let's start on, okay, this wall right here. So this first part is a lot of taps. So you're not transferring your weight. You're just tapping, tapping, okay? So it starts with cross, tap, back, tap. So I'm not transferring my weight. I kept my weight on the left. So it's front, side, behind, side. Then I transfer my weight. So you're going 1, 2, 3, 4. So I did 4 beats without transferring my weight. Okay? So front, side, behind, side. That is all taps that you're doing. Then I finally step up on my right and tap out on my left. And then I'm gonna go back to taps, okay? So front, side, behind, side, then step on my right, and then tap out on my left. Then I'm gonna go front and side, not transferring my weight again, okay? So the first part, you're just doing taps. 1, 2, 3, 4, and you finally transfer your weight on 5, tap 6, 7, and 8. So 6, 7, and 8, you went back to the tap. Front, side, behind, side. Step forward on that right, transfer that weight to the right, and then tap out left, go front and side. Now, you're tapping on part 1. The second part, you're doing pretty girl. And this is when you're transferring your weight. Each time you step back, you transfer your weight. You step back, you transfer your weight. You step back, you transfer your weight. And you tap it out. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm going to do a coaster step with a quarter turn to my right. Right, left, right. Okay? So let me do it at this wall. So from the top. 1, 2, 3, 4. I transfer on 5, 6, 7, 8. Then I finally start transferring, coming back with the pretty girl. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I make quarter turn. Right, left, right. 7 and 8. Right, left, right. So the first part of that is just tapping. The second part, you're transferring your weight. So there's a difference, okay? So some of your students might try to do vice versa, and you'll see them having problems. The problem going to be you don't transfer your weight. You're just tapping. Let's do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, transfer. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we transfer. 1, 2, transfer. 3, 4, transfer. 5, 6, quarter right, 7, and 8. All right? So it's the tap, and then we transfer in the weight. So when I say transfer, I'm talking about transferring the weight. Okay? So we did a quarter right, which is a coaster step. Right, left, right. The last step was on the right. Then we're going to do kicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, up, 7, 8. Went back to that tap. Kick left. 1, 2. Transfer. 3, 4. Transfer. 5, 6 to the tap. 7, 8. 7, 8. Went back to the tap again. Now, let's go back to our original wall because we're getting ready to go to our second wall. This is a 2-wall dance, front and back. Okay, so now that you have this step, I want to get you to the point where we're going to do a half turn and then do a quarter turn to get up to our back wall. Okay, so this is our wall here, front wall. So let's start from the top. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, cross. 5, 6, 7, 8. Transfer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Quarter right with a coaster step. 7 and 8. Kick left. 1, 2. Kick right. 3, 4. Kick left. 5, 6. Transfer. Up. 7, 8. That's a tap. I'm sorry. All right. So let's try this wall here. Sorry to confuse you. Because this way you'll be looking back at the camera. So let's try this wall here. I really need you to see my footwork when I get ready to do the turn and get to the second wall. So let's say this is our wall, okay? Let's go back to the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. My weight is on the left. Point tap. 1, 2, 3, 4. Transfer. 5, 6, 7, 8. Transfer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Quarter right. 7 and 8. Yeah, this is a wall. Kick left. 1, 2. I'm transferring. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 7, 8. Up and back. Now I need to get to my back wall. This is my front wall. I'm going to do pivot half, step pivot half, step pivot quarter. Okay? So what did I do? Kick left. 1, 2. I'm transferring. 3, 4. Transferring. 5, 6. Tap. Up. 7 and 8. So on my right, I step pivot right half to my left. I'm going to step pivot quarter to my left. I'm at my second wall. Then I'm going to roll right and I'm going to roll left. Okay? So this is my wall. Let's put it together. Front wall right here. First half of the dance is taps. Then I go into transfer. Okay, 5, 6, 7, tap. Up 1, side 2, back 3, 4. Transfer. 5, out 6, 7, 8. Transfer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Quarter right. 7 and 8. Kick left. 1, 2. I'm transferring. 3, 4. Transfer. 5, 6. Tapping. 7 and 8. I step forward on the left. Pivot half. 1, 2. To my left. Half turn. Step pivot half. Step on that right. Pivot quarter. 7, 7, 8. 3, 4. Roll to the right. 5, 6. Roll to the left. 7, 8. And I'm at my second wall. So I start the dance over. I'm at the different wall. So it's a 2-wall dance. Let's do that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Up 1, 2, 3, 4. Transfer. 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm sorry. Here we go. 5. Let's start over. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Quarter. 7 and 8. Kick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Up. 7. Back. 8. Half. 1, 2. Quarter. 3, 4. Roll. 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you start the dance over again. Okay? That is D-Train Hustle. Another throwback with the music, guys. Now, instructors, you're going to have to teach this, okay? You can't just call it out. You're going to have to stop and teach it because there's taps and then there's transfer of weight. So although it looks very simple for your beginners, they might not know the difference, okay? So that's D-Train Hustle. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you share this video. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.